Let me show you how I made a little Santa guy here. This is on a cookie, a gingerbread cookie. I love gingerbread. And the whole thing is coated with royal icing, painted, and then a little more royal icing put on top. I got everything out. I got all of my paints except pink. I didn't use pink. A nice pointy brush and a small flat shader, fast diluter. I go in and I draw my initial drawing with the fast diluter. That sets up quickly. And then I can go in and use the slow diluter with my colors. Now, I barely dip my brush into my slow diluter. You do not need a lot of this, just a whisper. The paints are creamy on their own. You want to break them up a little bit and get them the painting consistency that you like. A number 3 tip to do my outline, and I used a larger tip to fill in. And to be honest, at one point I just scooped it up with a spoon. The flooding, piping is beautiful. You know how to do it. I want to get straight to the painting. Enjoy the video.